Hi, I'm Erin with Transfer Express, and today I'm going to show you how to press numbers on your jerseys like a pro. To get this result, all you need is a heat press and some of our stock numbers. Let's take a peek on how to order at transferexpress.com. First, you choose a number style, and then you're going to enter how many packs of each number you need. Remember, there are 5 digits in each pack. You choose a size, and then choose a color. The 2-color number, the fill color is the first color listed, and the outline is the second color listed. So if you need a purple fill with a white outline, you're gonna select purple/white. If you need help deciding how many to order, you can use one of our number calculators. If your team is able to pick their numbers, you're going to select the team calculator. Or if your team is using consecutive numbers, say 1 through 15, you can use the league number calculator. These are our champ numbers. These can be applied to cotton and cotton poly blends. I'm also going to add an express name in here as well. These can be applied together. We like to make it easy for you to customize your jerseys. First, we're going to pre-press our jersey here. We're going to make sure that we get rid of any moisture that's in the garment. 2 digits on 2 separate sheets. All you have to do to make sure that these are properly aligned and spaced out is to just match up those edges, just like magic. And press it 365 degrees for 4 seconds. As always, goof-proof is a hot peel. There you have it. Magic. For polyester, we need a different formula, one that applies at a lower temperature to prevent scorching. But don't worry, it's just as easy. Let me show you. So this is our Champ Pro number. It looks exactly the same as the Champ, but with a different secret adhesive that applies at a lower temperature. Our names can also be applied at a lower temperature. Again, we're just going to touch the edges to align there. We have 2 colors, 1 application, 15 seconds cold peel. We're pressing this at 275 degrees. All right, now that we're cool to the touch, we're gonna go ahead and peel in one swift motion. To unlock this magic, you can order these online. You can order by the pack of 5, express packs, which gives you numbers for a couple of teams, or a kit, which is for an entire league. And there you have it, it's that easy. And spoiler alert, it's not really magic. So get your team on the field looking like pros in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and ring that bell for notifications. We do drop a new video every Wednesday. Happy pressing!